Good morning, everyone. So, I hope you all are fit and fine. Good morning, students. So, we have completed exercise 3.1. Now, today we will start divisibility rules. Before starting divisibility rules, just answer my few questions. If I'll ask you whether the number is 4926, whether 4926 is divisible by 2 or not, what you will do? You will divide this number with 2, and if the remainder is 0, then you will say yes, it is divisible by 2. But if the remainder is non-zero, means any other number, then you will say no, this number is not divisible by 2. Next, if I'll ask you whether the number 6589 is divisible by 3 or not, again you will divide it with 3, and if the remainder is 0, then you will say yes, otherwise no. Similarly, if I'll ask you any other number and if I'll ask you whether that number is divisible by 8 or not, again you will divide and you will tell me whether the number is divisible or not. So to do this, you will take minimum 2 to 3 minutes, right? But I know one magic. So what magic? In seconds, within seconds I can tell you whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, 3 or not, or means any number, with any number that number is divisible by or not. So what is that magic? You want to know that magic? Okay, you want to know. Okay. So that magic is divisibilities rules. So there are some rules of divisibilities, and if you know those rules, you can easily tell in seconds whether the number is divisible by that particular digit or not. So let's start the divisibility rules. First, we'll do by 2. So, divisibility by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Means if the number is even, that means that number is divisible by 2, and if the number is odd, means that number is not divisible by 2. For example, this only 4926, this number is even or odd? Just check the unit digit. Unit digit means last digit. Just check the last digit. Now tell me, 6 is even or odd? Even. So complete number is even. Now if the number is even, means it is divisible by 2. So without division, you can tell yes, it is divisible by 2. I am telling you one more divisibility rule of 2. That is, if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then the number is divisible by 2, otherwise not. Means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these all are what? These all are even numbers. Clear? So what is the divisibility of 2? If number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Example, 846, yes, it is divisible by 2 because it ends with 6. Now what is divisibility of 3? Divisibility of 3. If the digits of a number add up to give a sum that is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. It means if the sum of digit is multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For example, same example I am taking, 6, 5, 8, 9. If you have to tell whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, what you will do is you will add all these digits. That is 5, that is 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9. So 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 27. Now, sorry, 28. So, now tell me, 28 is divisible by 3 or not? No, 28 is not divisible by 3. So, this means the complete number is not divisible by 3. I am repeating divisibility of 3. If the sum of all digits is divisible by 3, or you can say multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For example, 6, 5, 8, 9. Add all the digits. Here sum is 28. 28 is not divisible by 3. So this complete number is not divisible by 3. Now divisibility of 4. To check the divisibility of 4, we will check last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. For example, 1248. Just check last two digits, that is 48. Tell me, 48 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes, 48 is divisible by 4. It means complete number is divisible by 4. I am repeating. To check the divisibility of 4, you will check last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, that means complete number is divisible by 4. Next is divisibility of 5. Divisibility of 5 is very easy. Only you have to check its ends. If the number ends with 0 or 5. If the number ends with 0 or 5, then that means that number is divisible by 5, otherwise not. For example, 4, 5, 8. Now tell me, this number is divisible by 5 or not? No, this number is not divisible by 5 because it is neither ending with 0 nor with 5. But if I'll ask you 150, this number is divisible by 5 or not? So you will say yes, it is divisible by 5 because it ends with 0. Now divisibility of 6. What is the divisibility of 6? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number is divisible by 6. So if the number is 486, this is example I am giving you, the number is 486. First of all, you will check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, this is divisible by 2 because it is even number. Now check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. How you will check this number is divisible by 3 or not? You will add 4, 8 plus 4 plus 6, that is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. Means this number is divisible by 3 also. So if any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. But if any number is divisible by only 1, either from 2 or from 3, then that number is not divisible by 6. Clear? Next is divisibility of 8. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, I have not done divisibility of 7. So we'll do divisibility of 7 later on. Clear? So divisibility of 8. To check the divisibility of 8, we'll check last 3 digits. It is almost similar to divisibility of 4. In divisibility of 4, we have checked last 2 digits, but here we will check last 3 digits. I am taking same example, 1248. Now I have to check last 3 digit, means here I have to take 248. Now check 248 is divisible by 8 or not? Tell me, 248 is divisible? Yes. It means the complete number is divisible by 8. So what is the divisibility of 8? You have to check the last 3 digits. One more thing. If at the end means the number is, if the last three digits are zeros, then also it is divisible by 8. So what is the divisibility of 8? Either you will check last three digits that are divisible by 8 or not, or you will check if the last three digits are zeros, then also it is divisible by 8. Now what is divisibility of 9? So divisibility of 9 is again sum of all digits. If the sum of all digits is a multiple of 9, then the complete number is multiple of 9, or you can say a complete number is divisible by 9. For example, 1, 4, 5, 9. Add all these digits, 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9. It will be 19, right? Now tell me, 19 is divisible by 9 or not? No, 19 is not divisible by 9. Means this complete number is not divisible by 9. Clear? Now what is the divisibility of 10? Easiest one. If the number ends with 0, you all know table of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, you all are writing like this. So if the number ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10, otherwise not. So remaining divisibilities we'll do later on. Thank you.